How to fix verification required error in App Store. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In most cases, this problem is related to your current Apple ID, login or payment method. So go ahead and launch the settings application. Tap on your name banner and then tap on payment and shipping option. Enter your Face ID or passcode and now tap on billing address. Here, firstly, make sure your card number, expiration date and CVV is correct. Next, erase the billing name and re-enter all these details again. Make sure the details you are entering is accurate since these informations are very important. Once you are done filling this information, tap on Done. Now go back and tap on subscriptions, and if you have any pending subscriptions, then do not renew any subscriptions for the time being. You can make the changes later once the issue is fixed. Also, if some other devices uses the same payment method for family sharing, should also be removed. Now, open App Store in your device and by now your problem should have been fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.